2025. To those of foreigners who will wish to marry Filipino woman like me, okay, I will give you a clue. Mostly Filipino woman has a bad characteristic because mostly of us are marites. Hilabtanon, himantayon, hinawayon, pakialamera, makialam sa may buhay na may buhay, yung magaling gumawa ng kwento kahit hindi mo ginawa, gagawin ka ng kwento para ma-down ka, para magpakamatay ka, para maluka ka, para mabuang ka, ganun. Tapos mangilog sila uyab, mas ex-girlfriend na sila. Pag makitaan nila ilang ex-boyfriend na natiken na nailain, di sa kadawat ba. So ilang isudus, kundi ilahang i-love spell, ilang gayumahon, ilang ilumay. Mga agaw lang gyapon sila, ma'am, sa ex na sila nang batasan nga mga bati. Sa Pilipina, di ba? Ex na jud ka, di ba? Di na ka mo ipal. Pero lain man sila pag ang mga babae gani nga, uy, kung uyab, for example ba, uy, kung uyab, kung ex, na may lain, man na iyang isudus, buhato niya tanan, para mabalik niyang laki ba niya, iyang ilumay, iyang love spell, iyang gayumahon. Mas ex na gud siya, di ba? Kana na siya ng laki niya, iyang uyab, natiken na nailaing babae. Siya kadawat gani, buhato niya tanan ba, para maagaw niya balik ba. Man yung mga bad characteristics sa Pilipina, niyang man, hilabtanon, himantayon, himo ang kagchismis, libakon ka, di ka kalimpyo, ino nakagkulang-kulang buang, magtapok-tapok ni gasong balag mga gamit mo, ino nakagbuang kulang-kulang, bati na gagsulubon, ino nakagkulang-kulang buang. Unya, ang iro gani nimong sa tangkal sa imong iro, baho gani ka di kalimpyo 1 month or 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks na ino nakagkulang-kulang buang, yaman pahawaon na ka dira sa imong environment, sa imong silingan, petisyonan na daw ka, nakagawan daw ka. Unya ayhel kay kag trapo di sa mga birahe ino nakahugawan, magtapatapok lang kay kag baldi ino nakahugawan. Unya kay ang imong iring malibang lang gani di pabarangay na ka kay hugawan daw ka imong iro makabuhi sa tangkal, awayon din ka pabarangay din ka nya. Sala ba ni imong iro nakabuhi, di ba? Nya human ka nang imong anak kani magkalabay lang kay sila tukarang gyud mga gamit kay special siya ang anak. Awayon din ka nya man utos-utosan ka kung makautos murag commander, mura kag maid ututusan ba niya man mag-disco lang kang butangan kang mabutagan kag disco ingon kag namuri ka source of income nga ana yung pagkabati jud kaayo pagkaluod jud batasan sa mga Pilipina, mga perfectionist. Okay, we'll translate in English. Mostly Filipina who has a bad characteristic because if your neighbor will see you always got disco, you have a lot of barkadas, sisters, friends, companionship with you, then they will think that that's your source of income. You go to disco because they will think that you're a bar girl, a prostitute, woman. Then they will think that you go to disco because it is your source of income to earn money. Because they will think your neighbor, if you got always disco, they will think of you that you're a prostitute. That's your source of income. Then for me, that's the bad characters of a woman. Number 2, if you will not clean your doggy's house, then they will think of you that you are an hugawan, dirty like that, and your life is dirty. Then they will petition with you to get out of that place. Then number 2 is if your neighbor is ugly and fat and hair is curly and putot, not so short woman, then if like me, my neighbor is ugly, putot, tambok, curly hair, but ignaong ugly, dayon bad body, not sexy. Then if she look at me pretty and sexy and lots of money, then they will do everything to make you bad because I felt that she will felt envy with me. Envy, nasuya ba? And for me, that's number 3 bad characteristic of the Filipino woman. For me, mostly Filipino women are has a bad characteristic because if they will see you, they will see you, you can get your dreams in life, then they will not accept it. Then they'll do everything to make you down, to make your life miserable. And that's your life, but your neighbor will know what's your going on, what will you do to your life. then then they will think that you're a bad woman, especially they will see you always happy and enjoying your life. Then they will do everything to hurt you, to feel you down. For me, mostly Filipino woman has a bad characteristic because most of them are marites. Yung bang hilabtanon, himantayon, hinawayon, walking CCTV camera, then bintangera, nyo man himuang kag storyang bati para madaot ka siya maangat. Man dauton ka niya, nyo man perfectionist kay siya, piling niya luod na kay ka, makasasala na kay ka, bulok ka kasi perfect siya sakto. Nya wala siya magtanaw siyang dagway nga bati pa kay siya nang liwat siyang naliwat yung batasa nga bati para nako tanan niya bati dubok mura ra siya isda nga nasa rep nga nabaho na dubok ang na ilabay sa sapa. Yeah, for me, don't marry a woman who was ugly because most of them, their face is ugly. Their face is ugly and also their body is ugly. Then their attitude is ugly. Mostly of them are ugly. So you marry a pretty girl like me, sexy and beautiful, always happy, always go easily lucky, always happy in life. I have 100% pure energy. Then and if you are bad, if you are down, then I'll make you up. I will make you happy. That's my good attitude. For me, the pretty woman like me and sexy, we don't have a problem easily because our looks is already checked. Don't have problem our looks and our body sexy. We have a nice body, a great body, and we have lots of money. For me, we have everything. Not like just ugly neighbor there, ugly woman. Then hindi siya gusto malangan mo, wala siya magawa, mas maganda ako sa kanya sexy. Lamang na ako. Hindi raw siya nainggit. Halata namang inggit na inggit. Kasi insecure siya. At saka ano pa, yung bang galit na galit sa akin. Mostly bad characteristic of a woman like my neighbor. I don't know why she has a big angry with me. I don't have even a mistake with her. Hindi ko naman siya inano, wala akong kasalanan sa kanya, pero nagtaka ko lang bakit ang laki ng galit niya sa akin. Wala naman akong ginagawang masama sa kanya. Wala naman akong sinabing masama sa kanya. Nandito lang ako sa bahay ko buong araw. Nanahimik, pero inaaway pa rin niya ako. Ginawa niyang lahat para magkabangga kami, magkaaway kami. Ganun ang bad characteristic sa woman na pangit. Pangit na nga, kasing pangit pa na ugali niya. Lahat sa kanya pangit. For me, ugly woman is judgmental because my neighbor see me, I always disco, then they will think that I'm a prostitute. That's my source of income. That's why I want to call her in the barangay to make up so that I have a justice because I want to file a case with her, libel or oral defamation. I want to I want to see her a jail because he's deserve it to go to jail and makabayad siya nako ba. For me, he's damaging my life. Sinsiraan niya ako, sinsigawan niya ako, ganun. Na I'm a bad woman and she has no evidence against me. That's a bad characteristic of a woman. For me, you marry a beautiful woman like me, and sexy and lots of money and 100% have energy because so that your life will enjoy and happy. Don't marry like my neighbor. She's ugly, she's insecure, she's envy with me, always envy with me, always angry with me even though I don't have mistake with her. And hindi ko naman siya inano, pero iwan ko, ang laki ng galit niya sa akin. Siguro buang na siya. Sabi ni iba yung kapitbahay ko, Kasi dati si Janet, yung anak niya, palaging nanglabot sa ako ba. Sabi ni iba, Janet, anak, si Anan kung wala isa ni mo ayaw gilabti. Kay para nako buang na ka. Buang ang taong manglabot nga wala siya sala nimo. Kanang tawhan ay manglabtan, nya wa siya sala mo buang na ka. Di ba tanaw ng buang skulon guys, mula ka may buong na lang ka. Siya gitan ka, wayon ka, yayawan ka, kuyawan ka, wa makaysa niya, di ba? Initan ka. Para nako ka na mga, for me, those people who will agree with you, even though you have don't have mistake with her, then for me she's crazy. Okay? Bye, this is Anna. I love you guys.